what's worst is, of course, the help that our first responders will not get. But almost as bad is just the meanness, the cruelty to these employees who for years dedicated their lives to helping those who rush to the towers. And then they're just told in an email when they get home Friday night, you're fired, no explanation, nothing. This is not a never forget. This is just, we're screwing the World Trade Center victims. We don't care about them. This is not how we treat our 9/11 heroes.
The World Trade Center Health Program says 16 staffers were fired on Friday, and that in total, a quarter of their entire staff has been removed since Donald Trump took office. The president was asked about the cuts last night, and he claimed not to know a thing. Joining us now, NBC News Chief Capitol Hill correspondent Ryan Nobles. I'm surprised that this is an issue because allies, advocates, Jon Stewart, they've spent years on Capitol Hill convincing lawmakers, Republicans specifically, to protect this program, and they've seen hard wins. So how are we talking about this again?
It's a great question, Katie, and the biggest reason that we're still talking about it is because, like many of these cuts that have made in the early part of the Trump administration, many of them through the lens of Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, they've come without any input from Congress whatsoever. And that's exactly what's happening here with the cuts to this World Trade Center Health Program. There are 132,000 people that still take advantage of this program 23 years after the towers fell. And many of them are deeply connected to members of Congress who vote on these issues and have fought for this program to be maintained and to get the funding that it needs to make sure that these people are taken care of. And this could really be a problem for Republicans going into the 2026 midterm elections because New York is one of the most important battlegrounds in that upcoming midterm battle. Republicans overperformed in New York, in places like Long Island and in the Hudson Valley, places where there are many people that are deeply connected to what happened on September 11th, 2001, and won't forget about this when they go to the ballot box in 2026.
Ryan Nobles, thank you very much. We're going to watch this, and coming up next.